What's up guys, I'm Brooke and welcome back to the BG Bakers. In today's video, we're going to be making chocolate mint brownies. These are super delicious and super easy to make. Before we start this video, I just want to give a shout out to Sugar Beet for winning last video's competition. If y'all want a chance to win, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, leave a like on this video, and comment down below with your best comment. Good luck! First, you're going to melt 3 ounces of unsweetened chocolate and 6 tablespoons of butter in a microwave-safe bowl. Now you're going to gradually add 1 1/8 cups of sugar, whisking between each addition. Now you're going to add 2 eggs, beating between each addition. Alright, now you're going to add about 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now in a separate bowl, you're going to mix together 1/2 plus 1/8 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 plus 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now you're going to fold your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients in 2 additions. Now spray down your 8x8" pan and then pour your brownie batter into the pan. Alright, now we're going to bake our brownies at 325 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Now let your brownies cool completely. Alright, now it's time to make the icing. First, you're going to beat 1/2 stick of butter for about 3 minutes or until it has doubled in size. Now add about 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. When you finish mixing, your icing should be a crumbly mixture. Now you're going to add 2 teaspoons of water. Now you're going to add about 1/2 teaspoon of peppermint extract. And remember, peppermint extract is very strong, so be sure not to put too much in. Now you're going to add another 1/2 cup plus 1/3 cup of powdered sugar. Now you're going to add the final ingredient, green food coloring. Now, you can add as much or as little food coloring as you want. It's really just what color you like it. Now you're going to spread a very thin layer of icing onto your cold brownies, and that is called a crumb coat, and it's just going to help the icing stick and not tear up the brownies when you're spreading it. Then you can add the rest of your frosting and then put it in the refrigerator. While our brownies are chilling, we're going to make the glaze. So melt 1/2 cup of chocolate chips and 3 tablespoons of butter. Now pour your chocolate glaze over your brownies. Then refrigerate it to let the chocolate firm up, and then you can enjoy your amazing mint chocolate brownies. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell. Also remember that we post our videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11:30 Central Time. See you next time on BG Bakers.